Dr. Charu at Yogaheals. Thank you so much for listening. Today we are going to talk about and learn Warrior 3 pose. We have gone through Warrior 2 and today is Warrior 3, Veerbhadra Asana. Stable like a warrior and confident. Warrior 3 pose is not exactly a beginner pose, but if you have been practicing any balancing poses like one-legged pose or even Warrior 2, you can try practicing Warrior 3. It is great to build up the strength in the entire back, from the spine to the back of the leg, the calves, even the heels. It also strengthens the arms and the back muscles. Warrior 3 pose is one of my favorite poses, and that's because it activates the navel chakra. The navel, or the third chakra from the bottom, out of the 7 that we mostly talk about, is the chakra which is responsible for your confidence levels, your determination, your willpower, the zeal to get control of your life, to put things in the right place, to respect yourself and others. It's good for your digestion. The navel chakra also encourages your digestion and has your digestive fire going in the right way, not less, not more. Navel chakra is one of the most important chakras in the spiritual journey, and Warrior 3 pose is excellent if you have been dealing with any of the things that I spoke about, and especially digestion. It helped me a lot with my digestion issues. So we will see how to practice Warrior 3. If you have any spinal injuries or blood pressure or heart problems, please do not practice Warrior 3. Otherwise, give it a shot. We'll go and see how to practice. Yeah, different outfit today, just for fun.
We will start from the right side. Bringing the weight on the right foot, we'll bend the knee to come on the right side and lift the left leg up and straighten the right leg, joining the palms in the front and taking support as needed. And to release, we will again bend the right knee and come back and straighten it again.
Feel free to take support if you have to, like I just did when I was about to fall. Life is about falling and falling and rising again and becoming stronger, and repeat. So don't worry about anything. Go ahead, give it a shot. Take some support in the front or behind at your legs and practice Warrior 3. Thank you.